Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, what's up? I'm Kiara and this is my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back, thanks for sticking with me, and thanks for watching this video. So if you are here, you're probably here to come see me cut my hair. I have been so frustrated with my hair lately, and I think it's because it's getting so heavy, it's pulling everything down, and it's not giving me as much definition. So I thought it'd be great to combat that by cutting my own hair. I don't know in what world and what I'm thinking, but yeah. Let's get started, okay? So yeah, and don't do what I do, guys. Please go get your hair cut by a professional. My hair girl, I keep on saying it, she is going to roast me later on and be like, what the heck are you doing? Why are you cutting your hair? You should have just come to me. And she's right, I should have, but I'm so busy with school. So yeah, if you're interested, keep watching. I'm gonna attempt to do something really crazy, and my hair girl probably will kill me. The girl that like dyes and cuts my hair, she will probably kill me because this is legit like crazy what I'm about to do. But I need a haircut and your girl broke. So I was looking at videos on how to do this, and I guess there's a way. I'm actually like terrified. So the way you're supposed to do this is, I'm gonna make sure my hair is like really wet. So you're supposed to get your hair like super straight and pull it to the top of your head. Make a ponytail top, very top of your head, and make sure the ponytail is super smooth. So let's see. I'm gonna make a ponytail right at the top of my head right here, and when I'm done with that, I'll be back. My hair is as flat as it's gonna get when it's curly, so I'm gonna make a ponytail right here at the top of my head. Oh man, I'm so scared. What I'm gonna do now is I'm going to make sure I'm gonna wet this and make sure it's really straight. I'm gonna wet this with poof right here and make sure it's really straight. I'm thinking the best way to approach this is probably going to be to put a ponytail right about where I want to cut. So like 2 inches? 2-ish inches? We're going to do this, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Oh, look, it's like a whole freaking curl. Oh my god, what did I just do? Not too bad. Let me not do that. Let's see. I got any? Yeah, I got layers. So you can see because some parts fall down sooner than other parts. Call me crazy. I think I'm gonna add another one. Another layer. It's just hair. It'll grow back. I just want to add like more layers on the top. So I guess the logic is, if it's just the top, I won't just grab the top, right? Logic. We're gonna cut a little bit more off on the top part. You see what I feel like now? It's a little bit easier because there's less hair. Okay, say that now. Let me go and cut like. Okay, I feel like my hand is slipping. I feel like I'm not gonna cut this the right way. Cute look, right? Okay, I'm gonna make the second layer now. Don't let go of the hair, Kiara. Yeah, like layers. Oh man. Layers so hard. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, cute. Okay, I'm not that mad at it. I think I want to add layers with like my bangs to be here down the middle. Okay. I did a lot better last time when my hands are completely wet. Okay. I think this one I can probably cut by itself. Make sure that I get it nice and curly. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go completely wet my hair again. I'm gonna style and then I'll be back. Okay, let's see how this turns out. So, I'm filming 2 videos today. So, sorry if I'm wearing the same clothes as in a different video. I'm so sorry. I really wanted to do this, but I didn't want to cut my hair and then not make an actual video, and I figured I was it'll be funny for people to see me cut my hair and freak the hell out, so why not. Yeah, my hair finally dried up. If you want to know what's in my hair, you got to go watch the video. It's coming up very, very soon, or it may be out, I'm not sure. I did such a good job. The layers came out so good. I wish you guys could see them. For sure, you guys should go to a professional to get your hair cut. It's just right now, your girl is so busy, I can't. And I bought a pair of scissors, and funky things happen when you buy scissors. So I bought the scissors and I cut my hair, and I actually like it. It doesn't look terrible. I'm actually pretty happy with it. I mean, do I recommend you guys go and get your hair cut by a professional? Yes. Will my hair girl probably yell at me? Probably. Love you, Justine. So if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. It helps me understand better what you guys like and what you guys don't like, and how I can do better on this journey that's called YouTube. So if you enjoyed, just keep on coming back, and I enjoyed you being here. All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.